In this video, we will be covering how to connect Akuvox SR1 with a door phone. All door phones and access control devices support use with a security relay, except for X916, E11, E20, E21, A092, and A094. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. For this project, we'll need the SR01 security relay, an electromagnetic door lock, 2 power adapters, and a door phone. We will be using the X912 door phone for this example. Please refer to the official wiring guide for additional guidance. For the wiring, the security relay is connected to the door phone via RS485. RS485 corresponds to the server mode of the security relay on the door phone's web interface, which we will configure later. To get started, insert the lock's positive cable into the SR01's NC port. Then, twist the lock's negative cable with the negative cable of a power adapter. Now, insert the power adapter's positive cable into the COM port of the SR01. Connect the SR01 12-volt port and GND port with a power adapter. Insert the RS485 cable into the corresponding interface of the SR01 and the door phone. Repeat the same steps for the RS485 B cable. Please tug on the wires to ensure a secure connection. The green light flashing indicates that the SR01 is functioning properly. Now, we will configure this feature on the device's web interface. To log in, use the default username and password, which is admin. Under the Access Control tab, navigate to the Relay tab. Here, locate Security Relay. Since the security relay is connected to the door phone via RS485 ports, select the Enabled button of Security Relay B. Select Submit to save the settings. Now, to add a card, go to the Directory tab, then User, locate Add. Here, enter a unique username. Next, scroll down to RF card. Here, enter the card code. Select Obtain. To assign more than one card to a user, click Submit to save the configuration. After configuring the user information, swipe the fob on the door phone. You will see the SR01's green light flashing quickly, indicating the security relay has been activated. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.